Fuck. It's I got innocent. Oh, did you get murderer? Oh, okay. I guarantee you it's her. I called it. She cut off my nutsack. She cut off my balls. I swear, if she's like a dog, what is the server of just like women? Wait, is one of them headless? Shoots the first person they see. Where are you? Yeah, I don't know. The fuck did you just? It was her. Playing on computer makes this experience a lot better. Lol. And she just is this server just Spanish? Shut the fuck up. Baby back, baby back, baby back, baby back, chili. Nuh-uh. Alright, open that. Go to here, and then TRX. I got a Glock in my Rari. 17 shots, no money yet. I got a Glock in my Rari. Oh crap! I can't reopen. Oh, there we go. Why spam? Why jumper? Shut up! Everybody does that. I know I don't stink. I had a shower recently. Nuh-uh. What? I same. All right, activate that. I'm going into the truck. Nobody kill me. I'm gonna die. This girl's gonna kill me. Next person who walks into this, I'm stuck. Are you? Ah! I don't know. Help! Ah! No! No! Did you die? Who was it? Ah! No! 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 Fuck! I'm dead. I'm gonna touch you. I'm kidding. I could have gotten the gun. Quandale Dingle. My name is my name. Chowling. Don't ask where I got that name from. For real. Ah, you think you can dance up there? Pepe. Pepe, come here. Come here, Pepe. Pepe, come here. Let me touch you. Let me touch you, Pepe. I just realized something. Because this is nearly the Halloween season. We should play that a camping story game thing. Come here, Pepe. She always wins. Bogo, my big booty engine. What? Yes, let's make 2 separate videos in one day. For real. Day and night. What? I clap my ears really hard. You heard nothing. My game disconnected. Bro, I have some bad news. My game disconnected. Oh, mother. What? Are you sure? I got innocent. You better not kill me. Swear to God. You're so Portuguese. Hey, I got a Glock in my Rari. 17 shots, no money, yay. I got a Glock in my Rari. I don't know. I don't know. Think, to itch my nose. Hey, there's somebody, up the ladder. We're practically teaming at this point. She said, ah. Kill her. Kill it with fire. You just kill it with fire. Duh. Stupid. Look, you kill it with fire because you kill. Yes, I can get the gun. Where are you? Where are you? I want the gun. I want the gun. I can't get up. I want gun. Give gun. Yay! I has the gun now. Er, er, er. Okay, fine. I'm sorry. I won't kill you. I don't know. I don't want people to think we're team. I don't want people to think that we're teaming. Alright. You. Wait. Was that a victory? She's inside and she's hiding at the sewer entrance. You could have gone that way, but you had to kill me. You're my target now. You betrayed me. Yeah, she's right there. Keep going, keep going. She's at that ladder. At that ladder. That ladder. Right there, right there. You're welcome. Go outside. Lazy versus bugged. Where is she? Alright, you know what? Let's go to another server. Go suck on some toes, you fucking idiot. Camping story. Right now, like get the fuck out. Alright, we're not joining this one because get over here. No! I swear to God, if this woman joins. No. Go away. Come on, quickly. No. Hey, don't you dare. No. We will oil you up. Yay! Yay! You weren't supposed to read this text, lol. Waiting players to my fucking throat. Alright, read it. You've got to be kidding me. You've gotten more lines than Robert Williams. You have more lines than Robert Williams comedy. Is it Robert Williams? Also, I call dibs on Jerry. Oh wait, we're not supposed to spoil it. Hello everybody. No, hello everybody. My name is Jerry, and it's nice to meet you. Nice to meet you all. Yeah, there's just two of us. Today we will go camping. Boo! Tomatoes! 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 Boo! Why isn't nobody excited? For real, brother speaking facts. Well, this one is different. Nah, Jerry, fuck you. Okay, follow me. I will show you everything. I don't want to see your butt though. He just told us he showed us everything. Oh my God, Thomas, look, it's the fandom. I'm calling the fandom brain dead. I'm kidding. Look at this wonderful frog. Isn't it cute? No, it reminds me of my brother. America! Dot. Sometimes the nature can be cruel. Well, no, duh, nature calls. Let's continue our way. Welcome to Spooky Woods. 99.9% safe. For real. Here we are. Spooky Woods. I also snort drugs. A peaceful place to camp. Let's go. My voice! My throat hurts. What was that zigzag? Brother stare. Bro. He's just staring at you. Stop kissing! Bro, he's your brother. You guys have the same skin color. Where's my line? I want my own line. Oh, I heard something. Bro, my screen blacked out for a bit. Someone is here with us. 10 out of 10 acting. A monster! A monster! Wait, this music though. Brother, shut up. It's just Bob. Wait, what? Yeah. It's just Bob. Don't worry. He is a peaceful monster. I like to touch minor. Don't say that, you will hurt his feelings. Just like my wife hurt my feelings when I caught her cheating. Huh. But he wasn't supposed to be here. He should have been in the testing lab. The rope must have broken. You weirdo! Anyways, I will tie him again. Tie him where exactly? You weirdo. Ah, no! I died. Come with us, Bob. Intro. No, I hate a game by Broken Toast. Yeah, this intro though is kind of banger. Inspired by Simpson. I don't know what that number is. Game camping. The better version, lol. It's a story never told before because everybody fucking died. Now the guys writing the script be like, no! What is this? A normal camping story. I kidnapped 2 guys and put them in a camping place with a monster and a murderer on the loose. Let's find out what happens. Average Mr. Beast move. I can't speak! He's tied him by the butt! We are finally here. Come here, Bob. Bob won't cause trouble now. Troubles now. Now look what I'm doing to Bob. Are you sure? Look what I'm doing to Bob. Of course. Look what I'm doing to Bob. You're next! Now I will continue the campsite. This is the cabin. But we are going to sleep outside tonight. Because I like you guys. You have a point. I am really hot. Kidding. Okay, follow me. I will show you the bathroom. But I don't wanna. How is he faster than? Where are you going? Yeah, what is this music? Can I fall in the water now? I mean the one. Josh in the water. Hey Thomas, look behind you. Now remember, he looks at the bear, right? Keep that in mind. This is the bathroom. We can't escape. I wanna touch them. Read it! Let me in. Come back at night, it says. Oh, hi. You're totally not creepy at all. I don't know. Just he is gone. And he didn't even wash his hands. What the fuck? I'm stuck! I'm stuck! Help! It's nothing to worry for. Yeah. Okay. Oh. I will let you guys explore. Come with me. I am actually making some pretty good jokes. I am the one carrying your channel. I am the one who knocks. Leave while you can. I don't wanna. I paid $2.50 to be here. I don't wanna. Finally, I can escape him. No, he's still here. Hey, why does the river lead to like? Oh, it's just an infinite loop. No. But you fucking me? Yes, you. Well, couldn't be. My wood! You fuck. You fucking. I'm actually gonna touch him. I hate doing the stupid voice. Ugh. Shut your bitch ass up. Shut up. Train on the water, boat on the track. Train on your mama. Hola, senor. Oh, look, it's right there. Why does it look like shit? Train on your mama, boat on the track. What the fuck? Jerry! Hmm. Where actually is the last piece? Why can't we find it? Did Jerry put it up his ass? Just imagine he's like, why can't you guys find it? And then it just slips out of his butt. That's what she said. Where was it? Dude, I checked there. It's coming. Alright. For this night, go in here, zoom in, and just watch me, alright? Alright. No, just go back in there and just stare. Hello, come here. Let's eat some sandwiches. Nom, 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 nom. And guess what? Nom. Look at how creepy Bob looks. Come here. Look how creepy he looks. Nom nom nom. Nom nom nom. Nim nim nim. Nim nim nim. Nim nim nim. This wasn't funny. I was just trying to scare everyone. You made me shit myself. Let's go into the water. Oh. Why didn't you bet you there'd be one person who would whenever it would be nighttime, you know, like in class, it's right after lunch, and your teacher says, "Why didn't you go to the bathroom during lunch?" Well, because I didn't need to go then. Like yeah. Num num num. I'm gonna fuck Bob. Alright, go in here, go in here, go in here, go in here, go in. Alright, go in here. Alright, stay. I am wondering if something is going to happen. What the fuck? Oh my god, it's my dad! He came back with the milk! Even my Roblox avatar didn't like that. Are you there, Jer? That's your line. You're supposed to read that. Bub. Oh, it's just Bub. Hey, Bub. Beb. Bub. Bub. Beeb. Bibbly babbly bobbly boo. Help! What's going on? I bet you this is Jerry's doing. What all around? It's Pizza Rabbit. Isn't there like a phobia where it's like people are scared of rabbits? Hey, I'm afraid of a rabbit. Wait, what the heck is that? Ah! It's so scary. Ah! I did the most amount of damage, you idiot. He stabbed my nuts, chat. He stabbed my nuts. Wait, what do you think would happen if we didn't let him in? Yes. Wait, we should right after recording we should see the alternate ending where we like choose no. Yeah, like what would happen if we didn't let him in? Would he like kill us? Or would we kill him? He broke his glasses, lol. He actually has like a banger avatar though. What did you just say? Now you have to censor that word. You're gonna get canceled. And why is Bulb in here? Why do I sound like Duck? We were attacked by the masked guy that we saw earlier from 7-Eleven. He entered the chat. See ya. Spooky, scary skeleton will shiver down your... No! I wanna get behind the box! I'm behind the boxes. Ah! I'm gonna touch miners! Dude, I'm at 71% of health. I could die. Shut up. Shut up. Shut the fuck up. I just left Roblox for a bit because I have to do something. Because I like mine ores. Mine ores. I like to mine ores. What the fuck? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Vector. Alright, open up. Wait. I have a theory. You see this picture? The burger guy. That is the masked guy. Hear me out. Hear me out. No. I don't like burgers. I'm kidding. I love burgers. My fat ass. And where is it? Of course you did, you fucking idiot. Just voila. Let's jump off. Oh, how do you know, smart guy? Average 5-year-old. Can't he get it himself? What? No! We have to go through the door. You do it. I'm not going. I'm kidding. Come here. Do you see that red dot in the distance? Hold on, before you get the teddy bear, I have to check around the cabin. Yo, this music though. Don't get the teddy bear, I need to check. You didn't let me check. I have the teddy bear. Is that a gun? Hey, it's not like he has a gun or Just jump. No! I'm at 56% of health. Dude, I think I'm gonna die. I'm at 41% health. I'm going to die. Wait, let me check. He's still out there. I'm kidding. He was talking with Bob. Mr. Quack! Anyways, Jerry, here is your teddy bear. We will sleep now. Thanks. Shut your bitch ass up. I am so happy that you are fine, Mr. Bear. Fucking. I love you too. I think he's gone insane. Your mom. Yeah, I need to get original jokes. It's gay. You don't fucking say. Oh, my bad. I had censorship on. They're getting a divorce. Shut your bitch ass up. I want to touch him. Miners. Wait, where are you? Bob. Yes. Yes, I'm sorry. He went to get the divorce. Bob. No, not Bob. Bob. Yeah, dude, you need to slowly zoom in. Dude, zoom into first perspective. Slowly look at me and then look down, alright? Now look down. I'm looking at the sky. Dude, if you look at the sky in first perspective, the raindrops fall sideways. Where am I in the cutscene? I don't see myself. Come here, Jerry. Turn around. Panic. Panic. I'm at 41% of health. I could die. Oh, what's this? Fish! Dude, come here. Look. Look. Look, come here. Look. You missed it. Do not enter. 0% safe. Nobody asked. Look. Fish. 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 No, it's fish. I'm glitching. By the way, I don't like minors. I like women. I'm kidding. I'm Arrow Ace. Alright, name this video Josh and Thomas play... Wait, what's it? Josh and Thomas play a normal camping story. Because if you don't, you're gay. Dude, he went flying. Remember, don't jump in this on the sticks or in the water, alright? Get the fuck out of my way. Just keep running. It is too dark in here. I cannot see. Like Skittle. Skittle. What's this? I bought the Game Pass. So you are aware this is a game. Okay, but what should we do now? We are stuck in here. And I am depressed. Hey, guess what? I swear, it's not what you think. Ooh! Hey, you know that one game, Rising Water? This is exactly like that, right? Move on my way. Jerry, I'm divorcing you. Oh. Let's watch him. Bro, this is gonna be pure cinema. That was pure cinema. He actually did it. He did it. He's actually still climbing. So do we go now? He is not. The Jerry is dead. We need to go. The water is right. I called it. Did you just die? No! You are dead! What are you going to do now? I'm Hermit! So I guess that was the end of this video. Be sure to like and subscribe for for a cookie. A virtual cookie. I'm not gonna say it.